Alright, good afternoon everyone. I would like to share with you guys my bias for British pounds GPY. On the longer term, GJ is bullish, but on the short term, we can see lately we've been having some bearish move on the daily. You can see on the longer term it is bullish, but lately we've been having some bearish move on the daily. And I would like to share with you guys my objectives, what I want to see price do in the short term. And as you can see, price has traded into a bearish order block. Okay, after the market had traded these lows, let me use my crosshair for better. You can see the market had traded these lows. We have a candle close below these lows. So, and market traded upwards for a premium entry. The market traded upwards. If you use your Fibonacci from this high to this low, what you find there is an optimum trade entry, right? You can see 79%, which is also in confluence with this other block, that is strong, very high probability trade. So I want to see, the first thing, it has traded into a bearish order block. When we go lower to the 4-hour time frame, this is what I want us to see, and possibly this should be your target for the week. And let's mark out this bearish order block for better identification. This is usually I want to mark out the bearish order block with this week. This is going to frame my stop loss. Okay, and so let's go to the 4-hour chart. This is our 4-hour chart, and we can see this is that other block I told us about on the daily. And what we have here are relative equal lows. Okay, and when we frame this trade to the 4-hour chart, this is a valid bearish order block also. This is a valid bearish order block, and as you can see, the price has traded into it. We have relative equal lows resting here, so I really want to see the market take out these relative equal lows and possibly trade to this level, to this bullish order block, the last down close candle here. So I want to see the market trade lower, but this is my first target. I want to see the market break through this relative equal lows to collect the liquidity and possibly fill up this fair value gap. So, but for now, this is what I want to see price do: take out the liquidity resting below this equal lows. This is my bias for GJ, and that's close to a couple of 50 to 80 pips trade, and it's something to go home with. Alright, I'll leave us for now, and let's see how this plays out. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you. I would also like to draw attention to the 1-hour chart. This is our 1-hour chart. If you look carefully, there's a fair value gap here, right? There's a fair value gap. I want to see price leave the fair value gap open or possibly trade half into it. Okay, possibly the market might just trade halfway into it. to give us consequent encroachment just halfway into it. But the willingness of smart money to go lower, to seek for the liquidity resting above below those lows on the 4-hour chart. We can also see the lows, we can also see them here from the 1 hour. You can see them, you can also see them from the 1 hour. So the willingness of smart money to take price there would be dependent on how price action is being delivered right now. Okay, I want to see this fair value gap open, but immediately once I see the fair value gap being closed and price breaks the main threshold of this 1 hour bearish order block, the main threshold of this 1 hour bearish order block could be around this side. Okay, once I see a candle close above it, then everything changes. But as long as the main threshold stays intact, the fair value gap, I don't want to see it closed. Sometimes price might just want to close it up, but I don't want to see it breach the main threshold of this other block. So that's what I can see on the 1 hour chart. And like I told us, this is the target, the liquidity resting below this equal lows. That's where smart money might want to target next. All right, I wish us all the very best and have a blessed week.